lovelies, welcome back. This video is all about what I eat in a week to nourish my temple. Today is Sunday. I'm starting the day with some clove tea. Clove is an amazing herb that contains antibacterial properties. It can also reduce inflammation in the digestive tract. This is my go-to tea whenever I feel bloated, gassy. It helped me tremendously. It has a lot of great benefits. You can do your own research about it. Yes, I love it.
For breakfast this morning, I am making banana pancake. I mash one banana, add ginger, cinnamon powder, add milk, and also oat powder. I keep it simple. I'm using ingredients that I already have in the pantry. For the toppings, I add some yogurt and cherry sauce. I keep it simple. For the cherry sauce, I add some water and also some honey.
As it's served, it looks delicious. It took me less than 30 minutes to make and require minimal effort. It's 2 o'clock. I put together a quick lunch. I'm having some greens. I use spirulina powder. It contains vitamin K, vitamin B12, magnesium that our body needs. And I'm having some carrot steak, hummus, and 1 egg. Yeah, I'm going to sprinkle some salt-free dash on top. Dinner time, I'm going to make zucchini both with grass-fed ground beef. This is all the ingredients I'm going to use. Grass-fed ground beef. I have some veggies, celery, onion, mushrooms. I'm going to add some tomato sauce, olive oil. I have my Gouda cheese here, and I already washed my zucchini. Let's get started. Dinner is ready. It turned out really good the way I wanted. I add avocados for healthy fat. Yes, it's simple and easy to make.
The next day, I start my morning with mint tea, and for breakfast, I'm making veggies egg with French toast. I keep it simple. Recipe will be available in the description box. It's a great way to get your veggies, especially in the morning. For the French toast ingredients, I use eggs, milk, cinnamon powder, some ginger, and bread.
Breakfast is ready. I am going to drizzle some honey. Lunchtime, I'm having some chickpea on the side, white plantain, and some rice with black bean. This is everything I have in the fridge, so I put them together. I am going to meal prep later, so yeah, yummy. I'm gonna make a smoothie. I'm going to use frozen cherries. I got this large bag at Costco. It was a great deal. Pack of vitamin C, antioxidant. Add 1 cup and 1 scoop of protein powder. I'm going to add some kale, 1 cup of oatly milk. That's all I'm going to use, and also some cacao powder. Let's taste. It tastes good, really good with the cacao powder. It is very good, delicious. Dinner time, I am going to make a tuna wrap. So I'm gonna use Wild Planet tuna. onion, tomatoes, olives, and Parmo kitchen mayo for the dressing. Yeah, keep it simple.
Got this song up inside of me, in a world I don't wanna say, just the same damn thing. What
I am back from walking. I'm going to make a smoothie. I already have the kale, 1 cup of cherries, high in fiber, antioxidant, vitamin C. Add 1 cup. I'm going to add half banana, high in fiber also. Add some hemp seed. Hemp seed are a great source of vitamin B, antioxidant, B vitamin, and minerals too. I'm going to add 1 scoop of protein powder. Breakfast is served. I'm going to have the smoothie with peanut butter and 2 banana muffin. Yeah, keep it simple and easy.
For lunch, I have mashed chickpea toast. Later that same evening, I prep some ingredients so I can put together throughout the week. Unfortunately, I lost the footage of me prepping those ingredients. As you can see, I prepped some chicken, some egg casserole, chickpea, olives, muffin, greens, quinoa, so I can put together throughout the week. And I also have avocados for healthy fat and sweet potatoes.
Lunchtime, I am going to show you how I put together the meals that I prepped yesterday. Lunch is served. I added some seaweed. Seaweed are excellent source of vitamin B12 and iodine. Yeah. It is 7 o'clock. I'm going to have banana with yogurt. Lunch was very filling and high in fiber. So this is all I'm going to have for dinner. It was quick, easy, and simple. I don't have blueberries. If I did have blueberries, I will add some on top. Yeah.
Every night I try to love, but your heart is made of stone. All my tears, they fall like rain, yet you leave me here alone. I give you all I have inside. You pretend it's all pretend. Your empty eyes, they break me down. Will this torment never end? Endless pain, it's all I know. Hurt me more or let me go.
I am currently at work having breakfast. I made it last night. I add 1 cup of oats, 1 scoop of protein powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. I add 1 cup of milk, chia seed, and I top it with apples, peach, and 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seed. Yes, and I also had raspberry leaf tea. When I'm done, I will have my tea. Yeah, here it is. It's yummy and it's full of fiber, vitamin, and nutrient that my body needs to survive for the whole day. It's actually a 14-hour shift, So I really make sure to bring my food with me, so I know what's inside. I know what I'm eating. It's very important to nourish your body with whole food. You guys at lunchtime. I just got home from work. My husband already prepared dinner. Thank you, babe. He make a tuna wrap with a side of hash brown. Yeah, it looks yummy. I am hungry, so I'm going to eat. Good morning. Today is a new day. It's cloudy outside. It looks like it's going to rain. I did my morning routine. I work out for 15 minutes. I meditate on the word of God. Now I'm going to make breakfast. I prepared some chia pudding last night. I added 2 tablespoons of chia seed, 1 cup of milk, and I also add 1 scoop of protein powder, some cinnamon and ginger, and let it sit in the fridge overnight. So this morning I'm just going to add my toppings. All I'm going to add is some apples, peanut butter, and also shredded coconut. That was a quick breakfast. Chia seeds are an excellent source of nutrient. They are high in fiber, magnesium, calcium. Those nutrients play a major role in supporting body functions and systems. I like the gel-like texture. Let's taste it. I'm going to enjoy breakfast. I do have to go to the post office, to the grocery store. I'm going to run some errands, and I will talk to you guys when I come back to make lunch. I am back from running errands. I got some bananas at Walmart, lemon, and chicken thigh fillet. I'll be making Greek lemon chicken thigh later. I'm hungry. I'm going to cook lunch.
To marinate the chicken, I add oil, lemon juice, garlic, all-purpose seasoning, and I also add Dijon mustard. After, I add my clean chicken in the marinade, and I let the chicken sit for half an hour before I bake it. In the meanwhile, I go ahead and prepare my salad. I add onion, tomatoes, and regular lettuce.
Every night I try to love, but your heart is made of stone. All my tears, they fall like rain, yet you leave me alone. I give you all.
Dinner is served. I make some salad. This is how my plate look like. I have some veggies, some lettuce on the side, black bean with rice, and the chicken. I have some leftovers. The chicken is very delicious. Yes, I love it. Yes, I have leftovers.
Cold nights and colder days.
Really like the flavor. 10 out of 10. This is how I put the leftovers. I put the salad on the side so it can stay fresh. I have everything ready. I have veggies, my protein, and carbs on the side. Yes, yummy. It is now 7 o'clock. I am going to make this almond balance herbal tea by Whoop Wife. I'll put the name of the company and also the YouTuber on the screen. I read a lot of great reviews about it. It assists with symptoms of PMS, fibroids, and so much more. It's also a great source of iron, zinc, magnesium, calcium that our body needs to function properly. So I got it shipped earlier this week. So I will keep you guys updated on how everything is going, because I do have menstrual cramps, so that's why I bought it. This is how it looks. I am going to use 2 teaspoons in 1.5 cups of water.
Every night I try to love, but your heart is made of stone. All my tears, they fall like rain.
I thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope it inspires you to create your own meals at home. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.